celebrating the feast of a legendary figure probably, or a person who was known maybe in the 4th century. It is our duty to be another saint of our time. I wish that we live a life of our vocation so that we can be a true disciple of Jesus. So thank you for all these preparations that you have. Thanks for the prayers, for the arrangements that you have done. I thank the rector, Ignatius, Father Joe, and all others here. Lameshwar for the nice videography. And for you singing and all that you have been to us.